GoolRC upgrade modified 120 amp ESC, my brushless motor system. I got my programming card. I'm running double 2S LiPo all plugged in. Here's the programming card plugged in. You can see black to black, red to red, white to white. I'm going to turn this thing on to see if this programming card will work. So I'm going to hit the power button. Okay. I've got red lights there. Okay. I'm going to try to scroll down on the programming card. Come here, programming card. Nothing happening. Okay. If I hit my program, push and hold it, nothing happening. Will it scroll across? No, it won't scroll. Won't go down. Won't nothing happen. I can't get it to program with the programming card. So, we're going to try this again. Okay, so after emailing the seller of this thing, they asked if I had it plugged in backwards. Now I've got it plugged in backwards. We're going to see what happens if I plug the damn thing in backwards. Well, I'll try it. Look, plugged in backwards, it's flashing blue there. Okay. Still don't scroll or nothing else. Hit the program. Nothing. Okay. So, we'll shut it back off. Okay, so anyways, after several emails back and forth with the supplier of this GoolRC stuff that I bought through Amazon, well, they wanted me to do a video and send it to them for their technical people to look at. Well, here's the video. After all this harassment that you've given me, instead of just sending me a new card, and I'd send you this one back, you want me to do a video and send it to your tech team. Oh, well, evidently the card is messed up is exactly what you're going to find out. Send me a new card. I'll send you this one back. You can play with this one all you want to, but send me a working card so I can program my ESC that I bought with the card that's supposed to program it.